Hi, it's Gary at Broadlane, Alcester. Postcode for your sat nav is B495QD and the contact number here is 01789 763 432. Beautiful day here in Warwickshire, as you can see. Tongue in cheek. So, I've got 2019 Coachman VIP 565. This model features two fixed single beds. It's a one-owner van from new, supplied by Broadlane. In fact, I think it's myself. And it comes with complete service history, full and complete service history. Specification wise, it's very, very high spec. You've got the Alco hitch stabiliser. It includes ATC active trailer control, barbecue point for your outdoor cooking, and also an external power point if you wish to power up something in an awning. It's got Power Touch Evolution manual engage motor mover. Come inside. This model's 7 feet 7 wide. Features full width panoramic window, full size opening hecky roof light, nice and bright interior, two colour lockers, contoured and soft close, under palmet swivel LED lighting, lounge, plenty of seating for two, makes into two single beds for the little ones, and in fact a double bed if you sleep widthways across. Kitchen extension, kitchen with freezer compartment. You can remove that if you wish to increase the size of the fridge. Microwave, omni-vent or extractor fan, 3 gas burners and the electric hot plate. That's useful if you were to run out of gas. Grill oven, wardrobe in the middle of the van, 2 fixed single beds. Worth noting, they're quite low. They're easy to get in and out of. Big feature window here, so this is a fantastic place to be. Decorative panel on the door to the washroom. Now, we'll swap sides with Mark. So we've got the loo on one side with the Alcester heating system. You've got the radiator there. You've got the big shower. Right, 2019, one owner from new. Service history, motor mover, Alcester heating, great condition. We offer part exchange considered. Finance subject status. And on that note, we'll see you soon. Thank you.